I remember when Hamburger Helper came out. Now, the concept sounds good, right? Helper, it's going to make a meal real easy. But there's not a lot of food in this box, and there are things you wouldn't even want to eat. You're just paying for a little sauce and pasta and seasoning packet. You can do a better meal with ground beef. I've got onion, I've got bell peppers. This is not hard to do. I like to brown the beef with the onion and let those flavors blend together. Meanwhile, I can get my bell pepper all set to go. I think I add much more flavor to mine than the box. I've got garlic powder, I've got oregano. Let's go with 2 of those since it's kind of an Italian style. And got salt, basil. Let those seasonings blend together, and this is going to really taste good. Next comes the pasta and a jar of sauce, and I'm adding an equal amount of water so the pasta can cook. I'm using a high-protein pasta, so between that and the beef, this is really a nice high-protein dinner. Now you can just let it all simmer together. I get a stir every once in a while, and it smells delicious. It comes out great. While it was simmering, I fixed some basil, and I'm grating a little bit of cheese on top. This is so delicious and so easy. So which hamburger helper should I try to reinvent next?